Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here, back again with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about BSQR or BSQUARE. Guys, BSQUARE is another one of these short squeeze companies that has been running and running and running. It was up about 80% today, so that's why I'm covering it. And we're going to be going over some data, some different things, look at why this thing is squeezing, etc. And we're going to take a look at some of the Ortex data and compare it to some of the other short interest reported data as well. So we're just going to be looking at it all this video. And yeah, no, I'm not personally buying into this stock, not right now at least. We'll see how pre and post market come out, and yeah, maybe I'll make a play on this tomorrow morning in pre-market if things are looking good, because today we jumped up very high. So there's a chance we can see a sell-off into this afternoon and into the pre-market tomorrow. However, we'll see what happens, guys. If you guys enjoy these constant updates, leaving that early like on the video is always very highly appreciated, as it's the #1 thing you can do to help me out here on this channel. So liking the video, very highly appreciated. Also, technically, if you like the video, it helps the YouTube algorithm out. So if you want this video to be promoted to more people across the internet, if you're a shareholder of BSQR, then liking the video will help promote your stock. Anyways, guys, if you want to sign up for my Discord, the link is in the description or in the pinned comment section. We have a great community. We talk about stocks each and every single day. We have a different channels for different favorite plays. We've got a meme stock channel. We talk about the stock market, crypto, you name it. Join that Discord. Link is below in the description and pinned comment section, where you guys can also find the link to sign up for public, where you get up to $70 in free stock as long as you deposit $1. So with all that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, lovely people, as you guys can see, we have BSQUARE BSQR sitting at $6.61. It was up about 77% on the day, and we saw highs at 305 of about $7.63 per share. It was up 91% at one point. That's absolutely insane. We saw a little bit of sell-off into the later hours of the day, and we're down 7% after hours. It's seeing a little bit of a dump. We'll see if that holds into the pre-market tomorrow. I'll definitely be looking at this one, as it is a great stock. Now, something I want to let you guys know of, this thing was trending on stocktwits, so it's the second trending stock on stocktwits, which is why it's getting a lot of attention. There was also this article from Yahoo, or I guess Benzinga, saying that the best stock of the day is BSQUARE BSQR. So a brief overview of this article. BSQUARE is a software development firm that is both Microsoft embedded with an IoT partner, with offices in Seattle, Washington, Wiltshire in the UK, and the firm supports manufacturers and operators worldwide with intelligent solutions, cloud-based solutions, and data sharing technology. BSQUARE is up over 75% to start the day. While there's a steep spike and drop several months ago, BSQUARE is still trading higher than it was a year ago. The stock has a significant increase in value over the past several days due to interest from retail investors, leading to what seems to be a steady upward trend. Taking a quick look here at the trading view chart, you guys can see that there was two huge volume spikes along with a huge price action up to the upside, and both of these times that this thing has run, it's been throughout the last day. Now, I want to do a Fibonacci retracement just to get an idea of what may happen to this stock going into tomorrow. So now you guys can see this thing ran up and it went all the way down to the 61% level for the Fibonacci band, and then it broke down even more to the downside. Now, this was on that first run up. I'm not going to say that the second run up is going to be exactly the same. However, if we do see the same Fibonacci retracement, we can take a look here. We can predict that this thing will drop down to $5.35 if it went to the same Fibonacci retracement level as it did last time. I can't predict the future, guys. I'm not saying it's going to go down there. I'm just saying if it repeats the same pattern that it did last time it ran up a lot, then that's where it will drop to. If it doesn't drop, then yeah, I mean, I can be wrong. I'm a human, guys. Anyways, that's why I don't really day trade these things, because it's very difficult to predict where things are going. But anyways, we need to get into Ortex data, of course. If you guys would like up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1, use the links below to sign up for Public. Public is a stock investing application / social media app, so it's kind of like stocktwits plus the R word, Robinhood combined. But it's not like Robinhood because it relies off tips alone from its customers, so you know you're going to get the best customer service, just like how a waiter or a waitress gives the best service so they get the best tip. So it's kind of like that. And their social media aspect's awesome. So you can follow me, you can follow other people, other influencers, celebrities. Sometimes they even bring CEOs on the platform, and you can look at everyone's portfolio so you can see my holdings there. Everything is public. And yeah, it's just a very, very great social media / investing brokerage to use. And I think it is the future. I would invest in it if it was a publicly traded company. So that's how much I believe in it. And yeah, with that being said, up to $70 in free stock as long as you guys deposit at least $1. So let's get back into the video. And you guys can see it has an 83% short interest. Now, guys, with a stock like this, very low float, very low market cap. We'll take a look at that actually real quick. You can see the float is only 12 million shares, 12.5 million shares, and then the market cap's only $60 million, which is a bit larger than that now. Considering the stock price is $7 per share, it should be around 90 million. But that's besides the point. We're taking a look at these Ortex numbers. 11% increase in short interest on the day. The cost to borrow is pretty high at 41%. And the utilization is only 55% as of today. So with that being said, there's plenty of shares out there available to be shorted. Now, this is weird, and Ortex doesn't always have the best data. I've had multiple sources of Ortex saying that they have flawed data. So I don't like to think Ortex is the end-all be-all, and you should definitely cross-check between different short interest and look at the exchange reported short interest as the actual true number. Now, there could be shorts and manipulation hiding some of these short interest numbers, but let's take a quick look at what's going on. So you can see that on June 28th, this was at 17% short interest. Then it went up to 54% as of June 29th. Then on June 30th, it went back down to 26%. Then on Thursday, last Thursday on July 1st, it jumped up to 145% short interest. Then on July 2nd, it went to 75%. Now we're sitting at 83% as of right now, and I just don't know how accurate it is. There's obviously some short interest. However, we have to take a look at S3 Partners, and they are reporting a short interest of only 6.43% on today's date. So take that as you will. S3 and Ortex tend to always have some different numbers, and from what I've seen, S3 tends to be more accurate, so be careful with this one. People might be buying it and pumping up that Ortex number when it might not be correct. So keep that in mind, guys. Another huge thing that I wanted to take a look at was the call option activity that we saw for BSQR last Friday, which means someone might have known what was going on with this stock. If we take a look here, on July 2nd, someone entered into this trade. It was a $2.50 call option, which expires on 12/17/2021. Well, needless to say, this stock jumped as of today. So they got in at the perfect time. That call option has definitely hit as of today, and they're definitely making tons of money. Anyways, there was another call option that was entered today on 7/6/2021. You can see there, and it was an out of the money, or I guess in the money now, but $7.5 call option, and it expires on 7/16/2021. So they got in about 1:30 p.m. You can see right here it was trading at $7.28. It's down now since they bought that. So hopefully, if this has any indication of what's going to happen tomorrow, it's a short-dated contract. The person's probably trying to get out of it quickly. If this is any indication of what's going to happen, it would mean that there would be another bounce as of tomorrow. So this is some whale activity. We'll take a look at the daily volume. You can see that it was almost $3 million, which is absolutely insane for call option activity. So there is a good chance that this thing can continue to run into tomorrow if this huge call option activity means anything for this stock. Again, it was at 1:30 today. The stock price has actually dropped since this call option was purchased. And with that being said, we'll see what happens into this week, guys. I think BSQUARE can continue to run as it is a highly shorted stock. It's being talked about a lot by the retail investor. These momentum trades and the momentum in penny stocks has been absolutely unreal. If we take a look at Marin Software, if you look at some of my other videos on Marin Software or MRIN, M-R-I-N, you can see what's basically been going on. I honestly doubted that stock at first, and it was very, very similar in terms of what was actually going on in terms of short interest, the float, how much the stock was worth, etc. And that thing just continued to squeeze, continued to take off. And yeah, so these penny stocks have been flying with absolute crazy momentum. So to buy this one on a dip, I'm not going to tell you guys to do it. I'm not a financial advisor, but it could be a nice solid day trade to say the least. And yeah, if you hold on to it, more power to you. That's how you guys play these short squeezes. The best way to play it is to hold on. So anyways, guys, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new about this stock. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed learning more about this stock. Seeing that insane call option of $3 million expiring 7/16 absolutely blows my mind. That's very, 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 very high volume for a call option, even for a stock like AMC. So to see it in this penny stock, BSQR, just very, very insane to me. So definitely do your own due diligence before buying this stock, as I'm not a financial advisor. Anyways, guys, that's about it. Use the links below to sign up for my Discord channel in the description or in the pinned comment section, or you can use the links there as well to sign up for public, where you get up to $70 in free stock as long as you guys deposit $1. Anyways, guys, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.